is currently making an extra $1,000 in passive income every 30 days, and it's currently made me $25,000 to date with this specific method that I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys. What's going on, fam? Eric Ellis here, CEO of wolvesacademy.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make $50 to $100 per day for free in 10 minutes or less in passive income. Right now, if you guys want to know my #1 recommendation, go ahead and click the first link in the description. And if you guys like videos about making money online, go ahead and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell for future content. Now let's get right into the content. All right, guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to make $63.25 per day with Clickbank in passive income in 10 minutes or less. And the same method that I'm about to uncover with you guys with one of the affiliate programs that I'm promoting or have promoted is currently making an extra $1,000 in passive income every 30 days, and it's currently made me $25,000 to date with this specific method that I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys, right? And I'll go ahead and prove it to you if you guys watch to the very end of this video. So what we're going to do, guys, is first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and step #1, find an offer, right? So if you guys are new to Clickbank, what Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace. For those who don't know what affiliate marketing is and want to get into making money online, this is better than any method out there. Why? Because all you're doing is finding products that solve problems in the health, wealth, and romance niche, and basically you're promoting these products, right? You don't have to own the product, you don't have to deal with customer service, you don't have to deal with fulfilling the actual products like e-commerce, and there is a good customer experience, unlike e-commerce, to where that's going to go ahead and take maybe like 3 weeks if you're doing something like drop shipping for your customer to get their product. In this instance, your customers are getting your product immediately, so there's a low refund rate. So if that sounds like a good business model for you, let's go and see how you guys can make some passive income with it. So what we're going to do is create a Clickbank account. Once you guys create your Clickbank account, you guys are going to go to the affiliate marketplace. Then what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and find a product in the health, wealth, or romance niche. The reason why you want to go ahead and do it within these niches is because they're large, scalable audiences, because everybody will always want to have a better body, people will always want to make more money, and people will always be trying to find love. Not only that, if you notice what I just said with those 3 things, those are 3 subjects that you guys can market with emotion, meaning there's some insecurities in there, meaning people who are broke and want to make more money, that's an insecurity. People who want to get a better body, that's an insecurity. And people who want to go ahead and find a love, that's an insecurity. If they're seeking love, right, people are willing to pay big bucks to actually solve these problems. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be bridging the gap between the person who has a problem and basically connecting them with a product that somebody else created, and we're going to be getting paid very well to do so. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and check out the e-business and e-marketing niche, which is basically the make money online niche. And then what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be going to, I'm just going to go ahead and go by a gravity score. Now what the gravity score is, if you guys don't know what Clickbank is basically the amount of affiliates that have generated a sale within the last week. So for example, I'm going to go ahead and pick the offer, the 1K fast track, which is basically a $1,000 product. And each sale, on average, you're getting paid a 50% commission. So they're willing to pay you out $442.80 per sale. So the first step that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and find an offer, which in this instance, we're going to be doing the 1K a day fast track. Next is step #2 is we're going to be creating a review, right? And guys, the reason why I said you're going to be able to do this in under 10 minutes or less is because a review, basically expressing your opinion about a product, should take you no less than 10 minutes, right? So basically, for example, just to show you guys, what I did was I went to YouTube and I put in the keyword 1K fast track. And the reason why this method is so powerful is because people who are looking to actually make a purchase on this product are probably going to go ahead and actually go through your affiliate link instead of actually going through the original traffic source. So for example, let's just say somebody sees this product, right, with a Facebook ad, and they're like, you know what, I'm a little bit skeptical, let me see if this is actually a legitimate product. They're going to go ahead and then go to YouTube or go to Google and read a blog post or watch a YouTube video typing in 1K fast track, which is the keyword of the actual product, and follow up with review, right? And basically what they're going to do is, if you go to rank your video, right, 13 minutes here, 4 minutes here, 21 minutes here, so on average maybe about 10 minutes of time invested, right, literally just expressing their opinion. If you give them a positive review, because you gave them your opinion and you let them know that this is actually a legitimate product, you have built reciprocity. They know, like, and trust you. So now when you go and actually recommend the product, which is basically step number 3, have a click link call to action, which is basically, okay, cool, this is what I think about the product. If you guys want to go ahead and actually get access to this product, go ahead and click the link in my description, or you'll have a click the link in an actual blog post. So basically I found 3 different reviews. Now, if you guys are wondering, okay, what are the 2 ways that I can go ahead and create a review? Number 1, you guys can do it via blog post. Number 2, you guys can create a YouTube video, which is the fastest route. And if you're thinking, well, I got to show my face. No, you don't. Am I showing my face right now? Absolutely not. And I could literally be hiding behind the camera and just dropping a review. So what you're going to be doing is literally creating a review, 10 minutes. And if you don't, you have 2 options. You can either buy the product, right, for $1,000, or you can literally just go ahead and find out what other people had to say about the product. Right now, the reason why I'm not just going to go ahead and listen to one person is because at the end of the day, you want to go ahead and formulate a consistent opinion. So if you consistently hear people talking bad about a product, I'm not going to go ahead and positively review it either, right? If you hear a whole bunch of people saying good things about it, then what are the key takeaways that people talk about with the actual product? So basically, here's 3 different videos. I'll watch those 3 videos. I did the same thing with Google. These are 3 different blog posts that I found under literally just typing 1K a day fast track review. I'm going to go ahead and go to these reviews. I'm going to review them, find the key takeaways, create my own video structure, and literally go ahead and drop a review. Then the next step that we're going to do is step number 3, have a click link call to action. So after you've positively reviewed the product, you're going to go ahead and generate a sale. Now, the reason why, guys, this is passive income is because you have to create the review one time. And let's just say 6 months down the line, Jimmy here decides that they want to go ahead and potentially buy a 1K fast track. They're going to go ahead and go to Manifest Freedom. They're going to watch the video. And then literally I can make a purchase 6 months down the line, and it took you 10 minutes of your time to create that asset once, which is your actual review. And that review, right, let's just do some math here really quick. If I was to go ahead and generate 1 sale per week, which is $442.80 in commissions, 7 days a week is basically $63.25 per day. Now the cool thing is that you can do this with many affiliate products, many different offers, and you could literally do this as an extra little side hustle and make a ridiculous amount of money, make $100 a day, $200 a day, because you're literally just going to go and put these videos on, create the video one time, but they're going to go and make money from you passively. Because at the end of the day, for example, if I go to YouTube, this was created 3 weeks ago. And then we also have somebody who created one month ago. And I promise you, this currently in 3 weeks has 1,000 views. Imagine in 5 months from now how many views it's going to have. And then a percentage of those people who have actually viewed this piece of content are going to go and actually buy the product through Manifest Freedom's link. So you guys could be doing the same thing with this exact product, as well as any additional product on Clickbank. So literally just start searching for some products, start reading some reviews, start looking at the actual products, and then review the product yourself, and then have a click the link call to action. Now, just to show you guys that I'm not just bullshitting you guys, I made $25,000 with ClickFunnels. I do not actively promote this product. I'm making $1,000 a month. If you notice, $66, $68, $53. This is money without me working. I have way bigger income streams, but this is a passive income that I made from these reviews that I made. So ClickFunnels review, ClickFunnels review, ClickFunnels review, ClickFunnels review. So I dropped maybe about like 5 different ClickFunnels reviews at different times because I just felt like creating that type of content at the time. And they're passively. So if you notice this video 2 years ago, right? It's a passive asset, 13,000 views. This one has 4.2 thousand views. So these are literally, imagine if only a small percentage of these people bought the product, right? If literally only maybe 20 people out of this video bought this product, that is $40 per month, $40 per month per person, which is about $1,000 a month. So you guys get the gist. Basically, simple steps: find an offer, create a review, and have a click the link call to action. So guys, it's that simple, guys. All you do is literally those 3 simple steps. You're literally just going to be driving traffic to that link. You literally just sit back and relax. Now guys, the only way this is going to go to work, because some people are going to be like, oh, well, this isn't working because blah, 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 excuse. The only way this is gonna go and work is if you consistently put in work and drop these videos, meaning literally try to do bare minimum, one of these per week. And over time, it will compound, traffic will compound, and that's where you'll start maybe making $20 a day, then $50 a day, then $100 a day. Literally, that traffic is gonna compound to where it's gonna go ahead and literally be a nice chunk of change in passive income. And it might be able to pay for your car payment, it might be able to pay for whatever residual bills you have. Imagine being able to cover that with residual income. So, with that being said, take action. And if you guys want to know my number one recommendation to make money online, go ahead and click the first link in the description. Or if you guys are on Instagram or something like that, click the link in my bio, so on and so forth. There's somewhere around here. Take freaking action. But as always, your boy Eric Ellis, the Wolf of Marketing, checking out.